Good morning. This is Dr.B.Vijayakumar, HOD of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today we taken in a new unit, magnetic and superconducting material. The topic is origin of magnetic moment and the unit of magnetic moment of Bohr Magneton. So the brainstorming session, what is magnetic dipole moment of the material, and define magnetic susceptibility, and define magnetic permeability, and what is Bohr Magneton. This is all the question to get the clearance of this video. An introduction. Magnetic material are the material which can be made of behavior of as magnet. When this material are kept in an external magnetic field, they will create a permanent magnetic moment in it. Diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, anti-ferromagnetic. These are the ferromagnetic material special categories. The magnetism originate from a magnetic moment of the magnetic material due to the rotation motion of the charged particle. When an electron revolves around the positive nucleus, we know that the orbital magnetic arise and due to the spinning of electron and the spin magnetic moment arises. Let us see the basic definition of the magnetism. Magnetic dipole moment. The two opposite magnetic poles are separated by a distance d and is called as a magnetic dipole. Then m is a magnetic pole strength and L is a length of the magnet. So the dipole moment is equal to the product of pole strength and the length of the magnet. The m equal to Ia, the under one formula. I is the electric current that flow through the circular wire of an area of the cross section A. So this is another one magnetic moment to the form of electrical. In magnetic field, the space around the magnet or the current carrying conductor where the magnetic effect is felt is called as magnetic field. Magnetic lines of forces. The magnetic field is assumed to consist of a line of magnetic forces. These lines of forces travel externally from north pole to south pole. This is already I show in the figure. Hence, the magnetic lines of force is defined as continuous curve in a magnetic field. So the north pole to south pole, the flux will be continuously moved from, that is a magnetic field. The tangent drawn at any point of the curve give the direction of the resultant magnetic intensity at the point. The next one, the magnetic induction or magnetic flux density B. So the number of magnetic lines of forces passing normally through unit area of cross section at the point. Magnetic field intensity H is a force experienced by the unit north pole placed at the given point in a magnetic field. Then magnetization or intensity of magnetization. The process of converting a non-magnetic material into magnetic material, that is called as a magnetization. The magnetization of the magnetized specimen, it also defined as a magnetic moment per unit volume. Next one is a magnetic susceptibility. The susceptibility equal to I by H. I is a magnetization and H is a magnetic field intensity. This ratio is a susceptibility. Then magnetic permeability mu equal to B by H. The ratio between the magnetic flux density and the magnetic field intensity. The next one is a Bohr Magneton. The total magnetic moment and the spin magnetic moment of an electron in an atom. So the one Bohr Magneton equal to E H cross by 2m. H cross is equal to H by 2 pi. So we substituting the value of H by 2 pi under the charge of electron and the mass of the electron. The charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 and mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 31. So this all we substitute from this formula of E H cross by 2m, we get that answer in 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere per meter. That is a 1 Bohr magnetron value. This is a constant value. Then origin of magnetic moment, it's formed in three categories. One is an orbital magnetic moment, spin magnetic moment, and the spin magnetic moment of nucleus. So the first two is very important from in a magnetic material to the form of origin of magnetic moment. The third one is we not consider because that is a nucleus formation. The one is an orbital and the second one is spin. Especially the spin is in a very important role because the positive and negative value of the electron in a different values we get from that the moment also to be changed. So this is all the reference. I prepared the PPT of the origin of magnetic moment and the basic term of the magnetic material. Thank you very much. We discuss in another one topic in another one video. Thank you.